My question is, can a lady or a girl join the army to become a soldier?
At present, there is no need. When there was a time when it was needed, the Muslim ladies joined and helped their men in the battlefields. But nowadays, you have enough men who can fight in the battlefield. Even the environment is not good for the girls in the army nowadays. So I don't permit it for Ahmadi girls to join the army or become a soldier. Okay? So if you complete your education in medical sciences or become doctor, then you can join Army Medical Corps. That is permissible, but not as a soldier to fight in the battlefield. Right?